Hello everybody, welcome back. Fumbler here. And yeah, today we're going to have a look on this lock, which is the MIWA DS. Again, these locks were given to me by Hunson. I will send them back after I pick these at least. I'm not so sure if I also picked this MIWA U9 again, because I already picked one in a previous video. Put a link up here. It's video 197. And yeah, both are MIWA and they come from Japan, one of the safest countries in the world, very low crime rate, and lockpicking is prohibited. It's there, I think, or yeah, I think you can get in real troubles if you have lockpicking tools there if you're not a locksmith. And still they make very secure locks. So the MIWA U9 black belt lock, it has I think 9 levers inside there with a lot of drapery and mastering tricks. Really go check out the video if you want to learn more about it. And the MIWA DS, which we are going to have a look on today, has a very similar keyway, which is somewhat iconic for MIWA. And also if we compare the keys here from the MIWA U9 and from the MIWA DS, they look a bit similar, right? And the difference is, well, this is a lever lock. The MIWA DS is a wafer lock. So in here are several wafers which block the rotation of the core. That means also you can take out the key in 2 positions, like you can have it like this or like this, because we have wafers on both sides and therefore, yeah, you can do that. So without further ado, let's get it in a vise and hopefully I can pick it. See you back in a second. So here we are back in a vise. Key works just fine, and yeah, let's try to pick it. Clockwise tension, very light tension helps me with this lock. And it just brushed over the left pins and got some core movement. Found a binder on the right. Another one. Another. Let's check the left side again. Okay, we're in 4th set now, quite deep. Let's check the left side again. Okay, that was good. Better. I like where this is going. Okay. Okay, that's also good. Yes. Okay. Whew. The thing was so camera shy. Okay, the good thing about this wafer lock is that it is very easy to get. You just unscrew it here. And you can take off this plate. And yeah, it's a bit oily, but you can just take it out like this. So the sleeve here sits in this housing and it's still picked, but let's rotate it to an unpicked position. And you can see these wafers here, which we are manipulating, and they will go inside. And what you can actually see is, do you see the serrations on the last wafer here? Here, some nice trickery. And on the other side are the other wafers. And this one is even, yeah, tapered. And then again, here are these steps in the wafers. So a bit nasty actually, if you think about it. And this sleeve probably really helps to amplify all this. So let's see how the key interacts with them. So they pulled to the right height. And then you can rotate everything. Oh, what was that? Nice. Probably I can take